Hello everybody, welcome to the channel, Man Mick here. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. So this is the 125 and 150cc and 200cc versions of the bike. I'll do a 350cc versions on another video on the tyre pressure, how the system knows the tyre pressure in the actual bike. So the bike has to learn the tyre pressure and then you adjust it accordingly afterwards. But first you've got to go through this process. I've slowed this video down so you can read the bottom or where the words are. I hope this video is helpful to all the owners. And the gentleman is just showing you that actually taking air out of the tyre at the front until it registers on the system. And this is for the GK model, the U model, the U1 model, whatever CC bike you have. And once the system has learned, the tyre pressure monitoring system on the dash will go off, the orange light on the right hand side. Hope you're liking all the videos. If you haven't subscribed already, please do so. Please look in our playlist. There are over 1,500 videos on the Zontes models, etc. in the playlist. Whatever model you've got, you'll find how to do anything on your bike. Please like and subscribe also. Any questions you may have, please leave them in the comment section. I always try to answer all the questions that come on comments. This is Mad Mick signing off. I hope you have enjoyed the videos. Happy bye for now.